Telling my Jamaican husband if he closed the door, I will divorce him. Then I go where I go. Yeah, Smarty. Not going where I go, man.
Bae,
What?
if you close that door, I'm divorcing you.
Then you go and divorce me, bumbo clat, I go like I only one.
Me seriously a Jamaican. Me a joke with it, but me serious. In a one jokey way. So me seriously jokey. But if I did me this mode, I'd probably do the same exact thing. Me not gonna sit down and ask you, why? What me do? No, me not gonna tell us if you go on about your business, nobody don't care about you. Me dirty.
If you close that door, I'm divorcing you.
Okay.
Divorce bumbo clat, me come here close it today. You close it? What you gonna do?
I'm divorcing you. Why would you close the door? When I just said if you...
But remember, say when you go down there, file the paper for divorce, harass me and take your juice. So now,
How you gonna take me through when I just told you don't close the door and you still closed it?
yeah, me just said, harass me and put your juice so me go drag you through the fucking mud.
You can't drive me through nothing. Why would you close the door? And when I just told you not to close it.
Why you tell me just now? Say if me close it, you gonna divorce me.
If you close it
But
and
where
you
that fact?
still closed
So
it.
where that fact?
Literally still closed the door.
Mud me a drag.
If you close...
So
If
make sure
you close that door again...
Yo, dog, we just stand down and put up with the foolishness, bro. We don't care. We really don't care, dog. So you can go and play games if you want. We're just like a move the way how we know how to move.
This dumb fuck.
I joke you weird. I joke this still in a man. Just one joke in my run. But you have things what actually go like this though, bro. You have relationship actually go like this. They really think say certain type of Jamaican man really think you gotta think them gonna act out because no, that's like where I go. You know how much woman me book a road when I go to the chat to? I mean I talk to them because of you. Yeah man, divorce me. So me can't go about my business.